This is Putungan Schools District. 12 schools, 1 district, 1 shared mission.
From Putungan Central School to San Francisco Elementary School, we serve communities, we shape futures, we deliver education that matters.
We stand proud, the only district in the Pitan City Division implementing indigenous people's education, honoring identity, preserving heritage, uplifting the Subanin people.
An IPED Summit at Masidlacon Elementary School, September 27, 2025. Culture celebrated, voices united.
Quarterly Federated Meeting at Dampalan Elementary School. Stakeholders from across the city. One table, one direction.
IPED schools taking part in IP celebration at Jose Rizal Memorial State University Main Campus, October 28, 2025. Presence felt, culture seen.
Girl Scouts Council Wide Camp at Masidlacon Elementary School, November 27, 2025. Leadership, service, community.
Our journey this year is marked by milestone worth recognizing. The IPED Summit hosted at Masidlacon Elementary School, the quarterly federated meetings that unified our stakeholders, our active participation in the celebration at Jose Rizal Memorial State University, the council-wide Girl Scouts camp that nurtured leadership and service, and the submission of the expanded career progression system for our teachers. These are not isolated accomplishments. They are reflections of a district that moves together, works together, and grows together. As we officially open this project implementation review, we invite everyone to look back with pride, assess with honesty, and move forward with renewed commitment for our learners, for our teachers, for our communities, and for the future of Putungan Schools District.
This year, we focused on 6 priority areas under the Shrine Framework: safe schools, holistic learner development, resilient teachers, inclusive delivery, strong governance, and employable graduates. Our review highlights progress across 12 schools, 4 alternative learning system community learning centers, 2,989 learners, and a committed team of educators and partners.
School-based feeding program. We reached 392 identified learners with improved nutrition and classroom readiness. Disaster preparedness. All 12 schools conducted the national simultaneous earthquake drill on 4 scheduled dates, strengthening safety routines. Academic recovery. ARAL. Thousands of learners showed measurable literacy gains through targeted interventions. Governance and accountability. All 12 schools fully liquidated their MOOE for fiscal year 2025, demonstrating transparent and efficient use of resources. Partnerships. Local families and community groups provided school kits and meals, amplifying our reach and care.
We faced enrollment shifts in IPED and ALS and resource constraints in remote sites, our response was practical and people-centered. We reallocated learning materials, intensified teacher coaching, and used multi-stakeholder brigades to repair facilities and sustain WIN standards.
Our project implementation review shows progress, not perfection. We invite parents, partners, and every stakeholder to join us as we scale what works and refine what doesn't. Together, we will keep Putungan schools safe, inclusive, and excellent for every learner. Thank you for believing in our children. Let's keep building together.